everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to do my boxycharm unboxing for February of 2021, and we'll just get right into this. I do not know what's in here yet, so I'm going to be just as surprised as you. Okay, so the theme this month is boxycharm XOXO, and again, it does not really say the variation. It just says C210 2015-BA heart. I do not remember the weight and everything, but I will list it down in the description box below. And if you do not know what boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription. It's $25 a month for the base box, which is what I have right now, and you get 5 to 6 full-size items for $25 a month. They also have the Boxy Premium, which I do not actually receive, and I think that's $35 a month. And then I also get the Boxy Luxe. That's, I believe, $59.99 if I'm not mistaken, and that's every 3 months. So instead of getting this every third month, I would just get a Boxy Luxe, and that's honestly my favorite. But
Jesus Christ is Lord.
But we'll get right into this. Okay, so the first thing that's in this box, hold on, let me show you. Right here, it was sitting right here. And this is Probiotic Skincare by Tula Skincare. So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. So what is this? Tula. So this retails for $32. It's a blackhead scrub. I have so much skincare open right now. Let me see. Ooh, I like the color. It's like a light pinkish purple. And it has like black little charcoal pieces. It doesn't really have a strong scent. It's really light. And it kind of smells like a berry. Like a light berry scent. So that's exciting. I love skincare. So, yay. Happy about the first item. The next thing that I see in the box is this thing right here. And this is Glamierre. I think that's how you say that. Glamierre. And this is Pink Luxie Glitter Eye Brush Collection. Glittery, enhancing, and fun. This set features 4 essential eye brushes. Ultra soft DO synthetic bristles make blending easy and flawless. So, if I could open it, that would be nice. I like the little, oh my gosh, it's so cute. I just seen stuff moving around in there. I love this packaging. As you can see, it's just like super glittery. It reminds me of the 80s and 90s. Love it so far. But I've seen these. Look how stinking cute. This brings me back to my childhood. So cute. I can't wait. These, I'm keeping these. I was thinking about giving them away, but to a friend or something, but I have to keep these. These are like so unique. It takes me back to my childhood. So it comes with a blending brush, which is a small blending brush that would be good for like the outer crease. It comes with a little small flat brush, which I like to use these for under the eyes. You can use them for your lips, for under the brows. It's just really small. Eyebrow brush. I also use these for liners and stuff. I just can't get over how cute that is. And the little hearts in the inside. I don't know if you can see that. Super cute. And this is like a packing brush that you would just pack eyeshadow all over the eyes. And this retails for $29.95. Like I said, I will be keeping these. That is so cute. I love it. So cute. This is by far my favorite thing so far. The next thing that I see in the box is this brow bar. I actually did pick this out. This was one of my choices. And this retails for $40. If I can get it out. I needed more brow products. That's why I actually chose this. Ooh. I like the packaging, like the gold bar. That is beautiful. Has a little button. think. Or you push it down? Yeah, you push it down. Oh, look how pretty. So it comes with 2 eyebrow powders, like an underbrow powder, and I don't know exactly what that middle thing is. Maybe like a concealer to conceal underneath the eyes. It comes with a little spoolie, some tweezers, which who doesn't love that? Let me see what this last thing, I bet you it's a brow pencil. Yep, a little brow pencil. And like I said, this retails for $40, so I cannot wait to try this out. I'm not even going to put it back in its box because I'm using this. I'm going to use it tomorrow. Okay, the next thing that's in the box is this thing right here. I've actually already received this, I believe, but it did not come with the eyeliner. And it is by Trèstique. I think that's how you say that. I like to slaughter a lot of the things that I say, so it's probably not, but you know me. I can't talk anyway. Okay, so this is missing the lid to it, which is awesome. I don't know why it's missing the lid. It's kind of disturbing. But yes, it's missing the lid, so I'm going to have to be careful with this. And it says it comes off, and then it has another eyebrow pencil thing. Or, not pencil, a liner. So it's 2 liners in one. I do wish that it came with a lid, but it did not. And then this, I really do like this mascara. I've got it before. It has eye curler right attached to it, and I'm not going to open this mascara yet because I'm using like 2 other ones right now, but the mascara is really good. I do know that, so I'm going to have to keep this in the packaging just because I don't want that to get all smudged up, because like I said, it did not come with a lid, which is a bummer that it did not. That's so weird. And this retails for $44. It's a good mascara, but it's not that good. Okay, the last thing that's in the box is this thing right here. And this is Evo Beauty, and it is a it says Pore-Fect primer. So it is a pore primer. And this retails for $23. So it says it's a moisturizing primer. Let's see. I don't want to put it right over that other one. So it's just a lotion looking primer. Super thick. Very lightly scented. Like maybe like a baby lotion or something. Just super light. It seems like super moisturizing. So if you have really dry skin, this would probably be perfect. I would probably use this on a day where I'm not wearing a lot of makeup and I'm like wearing like a tinted moisturizer underneath it just to give me some extra. I mean, it's really sticky. Really sticky. And like I said, that retails for $23. And let me go ahead and add everything up and I'll let you know the total price of this month's boxycharm. So the total month's value of the variation that I received this month was $168.95, and I paid $25. So that is amazing. I love this entire box. The only thing that I was bummed out about is, like I said, that one not having the lid to it. I also seen just now, like on the box, this also has something underneath it. It shows right there to sharpen it, and then it also has a smudger. So that's probably why that's so expensive. So I think that's really cool that it does come with all that. So yeah. I hope you guys liked this unboxing. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I will link a link in the description box down below where you can actually sign up for boxycharm if you would like to. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already liked this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. With that being said, that completes the video. Bye, God bless.